We are in Senado Square here in Old Macau. It used to be occupied by the Portuguese. All of the buildings look like they have some European influence. It's really cool. But they've got this screen set up here in the back where you can watch the races here in the square. We're gonna grab a quick bite to eat and then probably just walk around here. Check out some of the old architecture in the area. So of course, no trip to Macau would be complete without some Portuguese egg tarts. Oh, who is carrying these? Well, that's okay. Ooh. They're similar to the Hong Kong egg tarts, but the filling is a little bit different.
More premium.
Yeah, they got like a creme brulee top. Okay, here, have one. Done cut.
No, you got no.
No, there's enough. They're delicious. So we are at the Macau Tower, and conveniently they also have a casino in the lobby. So while we were getting settled, going to the washroom, we ended up spending a little bit of time there. Not too much though, about 2 hours. Anyways, we are just buying our tickets and we're gonna head up there right away. We are at the City of Dreams Hotel and Casino. It is absolutely beautiful in here. We are here there's a show called Dancing Water. Apparently it's rated really, really good. So we're gonna go check it out. So we just did a quick walkthrough to go to the bathroom, and this place is ridiculously nice. Like, look at this. This is like the most beautiful casino ever. Okay, so we just finished the show. Grandma, what did you think?
Really good. Good show.
Really good, hey?
Yeah, good show.
It was awesome.
Yeah, awesome.
Kind of similar to the Cirque du Soleil. Oh.
You lock up. No, not going. Look.
Okay.
Look. Let's go to
But yeah, amazing show.